In this video, I'm going to show two different Halloween looks, an angel and a devil. All of the products I use will be listed in the description box. To start off with the angel makeup look, I'm putting on this primer to give my skin a nice glowy effect. Next, I'm doing some color correcting underneath my eyes to get rid of some of the bluish purple dark circles that I have. And then I'll be going on top of that with a brightening concealer. Then I went in with bronzer to give my face some definition and a bit of glowiness. The highlight is really important in this look, obviously, since you want to look very bright and glowing. So I went in with this cream highlighter that has a very bright white finish and heavily applied it to the high points of my face. For eyebrows, I wanted a pretty youthful look, so I used plenty of brow gel to make my brows look very fluffy and not super defined. I went pretty heavy with this pink blush since I wanted to look very cute and happy like an angel would. For eyeshadow, I did want my eyes to look very sparkly and bright, but I did start off with a defining color in the crease, which is this light matte mauve color. I did apply that to my bottom lash line as well. Then I went in with this matte white color to lay down on my lid and my inner corners. I layered the same white highlight that I used on my face over top of the same places where I put down the matte white eyeshadow, on the lid and on my brow bone as well. I used a white eyeliner on my lower waterline. And then since it is a Halloween look, I dipped my brush into some loose white glitter to make the look really intense. I finished the face by spraying a dewy setting spray before curling my lashes and then applying some mascara. For lips, I started by lining them with this classic pink shade and then going over top with a very light colored baby pink lipstick as well as a light colored gloss. And that completes the makeup for the angel look. For the outfit, this is a really easy one to DIY. Just any white clothes will work. I used this white dress and then I DIY'd a halo, which didn't end up looking very good. You're probably better off buying a cheap one from the store. Moving on to the devil makeup, I did my face makeup the same, so I did not re-show that. The only thing that was different was instead of a white highlight, I used a more golden shade instead. I also tightlined with a black eyeliner this time rather than white. And if you don't have a red cream or liquid eyeshadow, you can use a red liquid lipstick like I did on the lid and blend out a bit with your finger. Then to blend out the lid color, I went in with a powder eyeshadow in a rusty color to give a more diffused edge. I went in with that same red powder eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well. And to deepen up the look, I used a dark brown color in my outer corners. Next, I applied a small wing of black liquid liner and finished the eyes off with some mascara. And last is lips. Obviously I went for a deep red color. I lined them first and then went in with this matte lipstick. And that completes the makeup for the devil look. For the outfit, this is another really easy one. Just wear anything that you have that is red, like I did with this red dress. And I also DIY'd these red devil horns just with some red construction paper. Hope you enjoyed these 2 different Halloween looks, and thanks for watching!